Today we have 3 really exciting and easy TikTok hacks to try. And they're not necessarily keto, but we're making them keto. Sarah and I love finding recipes from all over that aren't necessarily keto because it shows you guys that with a little bit of ingenuity and an open heart, you can make anything keto. So the first viral TikTok recipe that we're gonna try is called Billionaire Bacon. And this TikTok that I came across is by @SaucedUpFoods. But the original recipe is actually from Snoop Dogg's cookbook. And I didn't even know that Snoop Dogg had a cookbook, but apparently he does. And inside this cookbook is a recipe called Billionaire Bacon.
Is Snoop Dogg a billionaire?
I don't know. Snoop Dogg net worth. I don't know how accurate these websites are, but it says here that he's worth $150 million, not close to being a billionaire, according to this article that I found.
So it's more like millionaire bacon.
Yeah, but I don't think that millionaire bacon is like impressive these days, especially with inflation. If you don't know, I struggle with cooking bacon. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just can't cook it right. I always burn it. It doesn't taste good, so I'm excited to finally get it right. This recipe calls for brown sugar, and we are going to be using Swerve in this recipe. This Swerve brown sugar replacement is the best that I've found, and I really enjoy it. You're also going to need thick cut bacon. This is the thickest cut bacon that we could find. You're going to need red pepper flakes and cracked black pepper. You're also going to want to line a tray with aluminum foil and put a baking rack on top because we're going to be cooking the bacon flat on this tray. This tray is one that we bought on Amazon, and we can link it below. So I really like the idea of this recipe because it's super simple. Just preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're gonna need 1/2 cup of brown sugar replacement. We're using Swerve, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of crushed red chili flakes. So I've laid out the bacon on this tray, and I'm going to rub both sides with our brown sugar mixture. And this does have a lot of pepper in it, so make sure to wash your hands thoroughly before you touch anything else. Give you a thumbnail.
If you guys want to know what it's behind the scenes of taking a thumbnail, this is it. The artistry.
And now we're going to be putting the bacon in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees.
I don't know if you can see it, but our house is filled with smoke right now.
So in the TikTok, she does not put the brown sugar onto the bacon on the tray that she's actually using. And now we know why. I think that the excess falling through is causing a lot of smoke.
We make mistakes so that you guys don't have to, because my house is literally full of smoke right now.
Chicago Fire Department will be here any minute. There's a lot of drippage here, and I think that that's what's causing the smoke. So I'm going to move this bacon onto this pan. It's a fresh pan, maybe there won't be so much smoke. Also, I'm kind of assuming that she put brown sugar on both sides, but now I'm not so sure she did. That was just an assumption made by me. It would make sense that if you put brown sugar on the bottom of these bacon pieces, that a lot would be falling off and causing a smoke disaster. So I think that our problem will be solved. Bye-bye. First thought is that the bacon, it's cooling off, but it's not as crispy as what she showed.
One of my favorite breakfast meals was pancakes and bacon with maple syrup on them. You know how you dip your bacon in the maple syrup? It was so good. This kind of gives you that feel without the pancakes, of course. And then there's that spice from the pepper flakes, so I really like it. It gives me that savory and sweet vibe. Have you ever had chocolate covered bacon before?
No.
It's kind of a weird combo, but it's actually pretty good. So definitely give this one a try. Just be careful of the burning Swerve because it tends to smoke up your house.
I think that you could go even spicier with this because I was like really hoping for it to be spicier. So next up, Sarah's going to be trying a recipe that has to do with eggs. We failed a couple weeks ago with eggs. In the microwave, they blew up and then they collapsed. And so we're hoping we have better luck with this recipe because it seems pretty foolproof, but who knows with us. Anyway, Sarah, take it away. So this TikTok is by Nutrition by Kylie. All she does is take some toast, she puts it in her toaster. I don't have a toaster because I don't eat bread. So we're gonna be toasting up our bread in a pan with a little bit of butter. So she takes some avocado, she puts that on there, and she grates an entire hard-boiled egg on top, salt and pepper to taste, and some hot sauce. It's not too bad. Okay, this is what you are not meant to be an artist.
What do you want, polka dots? Like
no, ew. No, that's yours.
No, this is yours.
No, I don't want that.
You didn't like my original masterpiece, so you get the modern version. So maybe microplaning the egg will give it a new texture that makes us like eggs again. Who knows? It's simple, so we're gonna give it a try.
So we have here Sarah's grated egg experience.
Masterpiece.
Yeah. It looks pretty cool. It might be a textural type of difference, which I'm hoping. I don't know. Eggs are not our favorite food, as you guys know. But we're going to give this a go. We do a little cheersies. Beep.
There's a lot going on.
But it's like you don't even know that the egg is there because the egg is grated.
Mm-hmm.
It's got like a really silky texture to it.
Yeah, the yolk definitely does, yeah.
I really like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like you made the egg disappear though.
I think you could also make this on a chaffle, one of our chaffles, if you guys don't want to eat this keto bread. Our chaffles are pretty neutral, and this would work really well on it.
Spicy. Oh. It still works. So this next hack is a drink hack, and it's by Top Online Finds. And people are all up in arms about this apparently. I think that the youngins, they have never heard of a cream soda, but you know, honestly, I grew up in the mid to late 80s. I didn't really drink that much cream soda. So she basically puts coffee creamer and fresh lime juice in Coca-Cola or Diet Coke, and she drinks it and she says it's amazing. Okay.
Let's give it a
So
go.
we're gonna give it a go. So we're using the Nut Pods Almond Coconut Creamer. I don't think I've ever tried this honestly before. It's got 0 carbs. It's made from almond and coconut milk. It's French vanilla. I know that a lot of you guys drink these Nut Pods, so we're excited to try it. Next up, we have some fresh lime wedges and 2 cans of Diet Coke. So a lot of you ask what we drink on keto, and honestly, we don't drink a lot of diet soda. It's not because we think that it's horrible or anything like that. We just grew out of drinking it. We typically drink like seltzer water, or we drink like water with element in it. We just don't buy it that often. Not to say that, you know, you can't drink it. Exactly. We're just gonna go in, and she just poured in a swig, a couple tablespoons of this.
Oh,
what are you doing? I do this first.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know you put. I don't know if there was an order to it that you had to put. I thought you put the soda.
Maybe put the soda in, I guess. Okay, go ahead. Squirty squirt.
The lime juice is going to make it congeal.
No,
really fast.
that's dairy.
Oh.
I'm concerned. I feel like it's breaking in chunks.
Yeah, let's just drink it before
Okay.
it separates too much. Okay, cheers.
If you're looking for a root beer float feel, but you don't want to drink dairy, then this might be the solution for you. I mean, maybe we should try a little bit more. Maybe that's too much.
Separation is concerning. I don't know if that's supposed to happen.
Blech.
So the Billionaire bacon, I definitely recommend you guys try it. For the grated egg hack, I did like it. I thought it added a lot to the avocado. You get your protein in there.
It kind of had like a silky type of texture to it. I think you guys should try it. It's kind of funny how these little things can elevate a dish or make it different, you know? That's why we like finding these hacks and sharing them with all of you.
If you guys like this video, please give this video a like. It does help us out with the YouTube algorithm so that more people see our videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more keto lifestyle content. If you guys want to see other videos where we test out viral keto TikTok hacks, you can click on one of the videos on the screen and we'll see you over there. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emily.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.